Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog this vlog is holidays vlog. So na-film ko yung holidays ko, yung what I did on the holidays in 2021 to 2022. Before I start this vlog, I will be doing a mini Shopee haul. The things that I bought from 1/1 sale sa Shopee. So dito pala sila. Disinfected na, then I'll just open it and share it with you guys. So first thing that I got are masks. To stay safe, to be protected, we bought new masks. Ayan, kasi super dami guys. See? So we got here green, parang siyang dark green, super nice. This one is for my cousin, Angel. Ayan, pang baby siya or pang kids. Then more green. Then more pink na pang kids. More green, blue, dark blue. Medyo dark yung mga pinili. And this one is for Ethan, my other cousin na guy. More blue masks and a green mask. And the next here is we have... Ito guys, hindi ko alam. I forgot what I bought. I already remember what this is. Ayan, Macbook Case siya guys. Ayan. And it's in the color turquoise. And next, we have here, ito yung super late dumating. We bought this before, as in super before Christmas pa. But then, nag-ano siya, dumating lang siya after New Year. Ano siya, mga Christmas glasses. Super cute. But, ayun, hindi kasi siya umabot sa Christmas. We brought this, as in super advanced na. Hindi pa rin siya umabot. Yeah, see? It's so nice. And we got more. Ayan, may mga Santa. Tapos may mga reindeer. Siguro for next Christmas na lang to. We also bought stuff for the New Year. But hindi din siya hindi din siya dumating. I mean, hindi din siya umabot. And then here, balloons to na parang champagne. Tapos nakalagay dito is lettering na Happy New Year. So, sayang hindi siya umabot. So, we have here next is this. I also forgot what's this. But parang ano siya, I think charger. I think charger siya. Adapter. Ito yung Oki na adapter. Ayan, ganyan lang siya yung itsura niya. Hindi ko muna siya i-open. So, here are like stuffs for the bathroom. Pampabango ng bathroom to. Scents. Ito is sakura, I think, or flowery. Forgot what the purple. Ayan. Ito siya, guys. Freshener siya for bathrooms. And so meron pa akong last two na stuffs. And ito na yung malalaki, guys. Ito na yung mabibigat. White and black curtains. Ito siya, guys. Hindi ko na siya bubuklatin. Okay na yan. And next, and last but not the least are these. These are your parang games. Toys siya, guys. May Jenga ata dito. I forgot. This is for Angel. Ayan. Colorful Jenga. Ayan. Headbands for Angel. And here then for Angel is may mga building blocks din. Merong cute na fish game. So we just got it. Ayan. Tada! Cute, right? So nice. And that's it, guys. That's it for the short mini Shopee haul. And I'll just show you now, guys, my holiday vlog and kung anong nangyari sa akin sa holidays. Anong mga ganap sa life ko ng holidays. So yeah.
Bye!